Today I'll be versing my girlfriend Mike in a short film battle. We are both photographers and would not really call ourselves filmmakers, so we'll be putting our skills to the test. And besides, he is a Sony shooter and I am a Canon shooter. So in this video I'm going to bring you along for the creation of my short film, but if you want to watch Mike's perspective, then head on over to his channel. And thanks to Artlist for making this happen, but more about that later on in the video.
Alright, ready?
Scissors, paper,
rock. Scissors, paper, rock.
Yes!
You get to pick.
Oh, yes! I don't really want any of them, so I can't really manifest one.
Oh, I don't want salami, that's for sure.
Oh, this one feels good. Yeah, okay.
This one?
Yeah.
And it is...
It is
Bus stop! I don't know why I'm celebrating, that's not that great.
I feel like bus stop is more up our alleys. Like, we like creating cool, liminal...
I don't think you can do a lot with a bus stop. Alright, good luck. Catch up with you later.
Catch you later. Okay, I found myself a spot very far away from Mike, so we can't listen in on each other, because I have no idea what type of short film he'll create around the theme a bus stop. When I think about a bus, public transport, I think about everyday life, stuck in a rut. And you know, like one of those ideas that you can't explain how it got to you, it just entered your brain. Okay, so I've got one model sorted. Her name's Em. I photographed her a couple times before and she's absolutely stunning. One of my friends, his name is Scott. He has a Harley Davidson bike. He is a character at itself and I really want to use him for this short film. I am quite a hectic person if I have to, you know, perform under a time limit. Quick, the sun is setting! What? So a storyboard is a must. So Artlist just announced an AI image and video generator. And with that generator, we can also create a storyboard. We can describe the image we want to create. So Em sits at a bus stop. It's in a neighborhood with shops around her. She's looking pretty bored, like very sad out of her eyes. Yes, nice. And every day Scott drives past on his Harley. She spots him every single day and she feels this maybe a type of jealousy that he is such a free person, loving, living life. Now the cool thing is we can also animate this sketch. I'm just gonna refine all of these images and then I think I am pretty set. I think we're ready.
This is it. So it's 3:30 now, we're going to meet back here at 9, are we?
Okay, let's do it. Actually, no, I'm not gonna have 5, actually.
Because I didn't get her a banh mi before. Still mad.
Yeah, I'm still mad. Okay. Let's do this.
Alright.
I'm picking my SD card.
Get in.
I'm literally finished now, you can wait.
Hey okay, cool.
I'm gonna close the garage for them.
You're gonna close the garage on them?
One of the models is my friend Scott. He's gonna rock up on his Harley. At least if it makes it, because it was having some problems. I don't know if it's gonna make it to the shoot location, really. They also don't have a plan B. I love the bus stop I picked. It's a very old school, unique location, but it's an hour's drive, and I didn't think about that. So, I'm carrying 5 different jackets because I wanted to make it look like it's filmed on multiple days. I'm out of breath. We're only just getting started. Hello. Hi. We're on a pretty tight schedule. Yeah. I made a whole shot list. We're just gonna run through every single shot. This could be the start of your acting career, actually. If you guys don't mind it, I'm gonna set up my camera and we just get straight to work. Yeah. If we could get you walking from here, just towards there. Yeah, we can walk. Nice, got that. Now we're gonna do it again, but I'm gonna film your feet. Nice. That was nice.
Good.
I like that.
The clothes, fashion, is that what you're doing? Or?
Oh no, just we're making a little movie.
Oh, good stuff, mate.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. So let's do that again. That was literally, that's all the emotion we need today. That's how I envisioned it. Tarantino. As for gear, I'm going to be shooting with the R5 Mark II and the lens is the 24-105 f2.8. The traffic was a huge problem because Brunswick, the area we were shooting in, is a very popular area. Oh, no, you're all good. Take your time. Yeah, let's pretend you're like looking for the bus. Nice. Now I'm gonna cross the road. Wasn't that beautiful?
Was it good? I didn't see it.
That was beautiful.
Okay.
That was it. I think the first couple of seconds of this video need to be the most grabbing, so that's why I'm investing a lot of time into it. Scott is getting his bike, because now I want to film all the shots of him getting his helmet on, putting his gloves on, putting his jacket on. You're walking to the bike. I'm gonna film that back shots, so you can back shots. Yeah, walk whenever you want to walk. I feel very bossy and I feel a bit rude.
It's fine, be rude. You like that? Nothing against Dutch people.
I don't know. I'm an idiot. I was filming everything in 25 frames.
That's okay.
Can you slow that down? Can you slow that down?
You can for effect, but I don't think it would be a good idea.
What I initially wanted to do is just shoot everything in 100 frames, which means that you can slow down your footage. I just did exactly the wrong thing. Yeah, it's just annoying.
How about the stuff that you shot 25? Make that fast in the edit?
Yeah, I'm just gonna check my storyboard to make sure I'm getting every shot I have in mind. Key, I've got the stand, gloves. Okay, we're doing good. So now Scott is gonna drive past and M spots him and it's like, oh, there he is again. Like, I wish I could be on that bike, like something like that. Nice. Let's do one more of just your eyes rolling again. Let's make it this thing like in the video. A little bit more. This is so chaotic. I feel like we're on the right track. Pretty confident about the footage I have. Let's just pretend you're gonna get on it. Put on a jacket. Any jacket. I feel very bossy and I feel a bit rude. Yeah, just pretend. Okay, yeah, come back. Okay. That was so good. We're gonna take the next bus. One of the shots is you sit in your seat, you look next to you because there's this guy, and you do this like, and you're like, and then you look out the window. We will be in this bus for a little while. Just keep following it. You can sit like in the corner. Yeah. But just hold off because we're just gonna film a couple of different shots first. Yeah, that was... Really? Are you serious? That was a real yawn, but it was great. Okay, you can grab the seat again. I'm actually getting car sick.
Really? You're looking at the screen.
I'm looking like backward.
Backwards as well.
But it's all for the shot.
Walks out, you're like...
He's cruising. He's cruising. Look at him cruise. Thank you, sir. We did that. That was great, Scott. First of all, I have no idea where we are. And second of all, we need to get back to the bus stop for the final shot. So I'm just gonna call a taxi. So the shots we still need to get is Em sitting at the bus stop, her face lit up by Scott arriving, and then she hops on the back of the bike. And that's the end. Uber! The Uber! We're back. We're back at the infamous bus stop. We have 3 more shots to go. We just need to wait till these cars leave. Let's just wing it. Let's do it. Yep.
So you want the headlights to just like shine on your face?
And she like smiles.
Looks genuinely happy.
The final shot, which was the rolling shot with Em on the back of the bike, that was the hardest shot to get. The only thing is that there's not much light in this street. The headlights of Scott's bike were super bright, so they were shining straight into my lens. So we did a lot of takes. Thank you, Scott and Em, for being so patient with me and taking your precious time to make this short film. What the hell?
It's full on.
That looks so good.
We went to way more extreme lengths than you guys.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I don't know. I feel like we should start editing.
We're gonna start editing now.
And
you're going down.
Nah, oh, come here, you. Oh no, I'm getting chased by the police! I'm getting chased by the police! Time to edit the short film. I already made a start on it, and I just want to thank myself for shooting so many different angles from this same position, and this really gave me so much footage to choose from within this short film, which was very nice. I used also the music from Artlist, so I found this song, it just hit the spot, it's perfect. Then for sound effects, I actually added ambient noise, honking cars, footsteps. Then I also decided to add some stock footage because I wanted to make it look like it was shot on multiple days. Just by only changing a jacket, I feel like that didn't really work out as I wanted to. Then I did not fly a drone. I wish I had a bird's eye view of the bus driving away. So I decided to use the AI video generator within Artlist 2. So I typed in a pretty, I would say, detailed prompt, and I think it's spot on. It looks like it was shot in the actual street. I feel like it just adds an element of surprise within the short film. And I think it was especially so cool to see the storyboard and then the actual shots I created, which were literally the same shots I had made in the storyboard. I'm very happy with the short film, but I'm also very excited to see what Mike created. So let's have a look.
Here we are.
Here we are.
This is exciting.
Yeah.
It's all been leading up to this.
This is the moment.
I don't know, I think our videos are going to be very different.
I think so too. Because I sort of saw Mike already with walking around with different types of costumes and stuff like that. And yeah, I know Mike. It's gonna be, I feel like, a little bit of a quirky one. No comment.
No comment. Scissors. Wait, how do you do it? I go scissors, paper, rock.
I do paper, scissors, rock.
Okay.
Okay,
How do you-
scissors.
You ready? Scissors, paper, rock.
What does this mean?
I think you get to choose.
Okay.
Your one first?
fuck it. Let's do my one first.
Alright, you do the honors. Oh fuck, I'm
For reference.
pretty nervous.
A little bit shaky.
Full screen it.
Okay, let's do it.
Every day starts the same. Same spot. Same silence. And the world passes by in a loop. But every now and then he passes by. He moves like he's part of the wind. Like the world is something he rides through, not waits for.
Filming out of the bus.
For the first time in forever, she doesn't wait for life to pick her up. She chases it.
That's great! It's a love story!
A little bit. Well, the aim with my video was like she is like stuck in everyday life waiting for the bus and her life is boring. Like she's clearly not happy. But Scott always drives past and he's
Makes her
free
happy.
as a bird
Yeah.
and she's so jealous of that.
Right, right.
And then at some point she's like, you know what, I'm not waiting for life to pick me up, aka the bus. Just gonna chase it and I'm gonna jump on the back of this bike.
What? That is, I was not expecting anything like
No?
that. I thought it was more going to be about you and traveling to like different bus stops or something about that, yeah. I was sitting on the edge of my seat, I was encapsulated by the video. It was great from start to finish. I enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Anything you don't like about it? Wish it was different?
Well, when I was filming, I have a tendency of getting very excited. Oh, I love that. Ah!
Okay, yeah, come back.
Oh, wow. But when you're making a short film, I want to use the audio of the surroundings and like the bike drives past. So a lot of times I got the shot, you hear the bike, and at the end you hear me like, holy shit, that's the shot. And I wish I was like, no. Like,
why didn't I just shut
up? And I could have used the original audio, but I have to fake it all. Like, it's all from Artlist sound effects, even the Harley sounds.
Even everything?
Yeah.
Now I'm really nervous to show you my video.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It feels like it's shaking even more than the start of this video.
Oh, I'm so nervous now. So a little bit over 2 minutes. Ready?
Yeah.
A 26-year-old man has vanished without a trace while out for an evening jog in what authorities are describing as deeply concerning circumstances. After he was last seen near a bus stop infamous for a string of unexplained disappearances dating back to the 1990s.
How is it possible for this many people to disappear at the same location? We still don't know. I've been living around here for 20 years now, and it's always the same. I hear some sounds, and then the bloody news tells me someone's gone missing. I know there's something going on around here. They're just not telling us common folks about it. We have our suspicions, but I believe that there's someone in the neighbourhood that is responsible for these disappearances.
Another victim has been claimed by the infamous bus stop, with serious urges from the community to completely remove it from the neighbourhood.
It's a tough one, you see. I've tested the area and it's come up with a lot of gamma radiation. So, between you and me, I think it's cursed. I don't believe this. All this radiation, it lines up with the Cantorian fractal theory perfectly. Oh shit. Hey, it must exist. Hey mate, this area's out of bounds. You don't understand. You have to help me.
You can't be touching evidence like that, mate.
Open your eyes. How do you not see this? This is cursed.
That's it. You're under arrest.
Wow. So when is this launching in the cinema?
Yeah, it's just a trailer.
What? Like, I knew you were gonna use yourself in the short film because you rocked up in a police outfit, but you are the main character in this whole thing, which I didn't expect.
Yeah.
That's sick. That's
That's
really
me acting.
sick. Wow.
I love our video, but I think your video has to win. To be honest. Yeah, I think because it's just so much. There was a lot of connection there, and I think your ending was better. I think your ending was better.
Well, thank you. I feel like your video had more elements of surprise in it, though. Like I
think you were just so surprised to see that.
Yeah, maybe it was because I thought Mike was gonna make something completely different, and then he made this, which blew my mind. You can definitely see that it was so much thought put into his video. So, yeah.
And a massive thank you to Artlist for making this all possible and letting us have a bit of a friendly competition.
Yeah, if you want to check out our list, click on the link in both of our descriptions. If you're watching my video, then head on over to Mike's channel for his perspective to see the behind the scenes of his short film.
And if you're watching my video, then head over to Faye's channel to watch her perspective on how she made her video.
That was an experience.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Keep having yourself a shit one. And do it.
And doei. Bye.